Wagwan tubers, I am Kamara and welcome back to the Rotted Show. So there I was on the internet today, minding other people's business. Then from out of nowhere, I stumbled upon this video.
Hey girl, let's see me at Clinton's. I work at Clinton's in Stratford. Yeah, Westfield. You black girl were called to my Ladi Gangsta and take my video when me a thief Clinton Street candles. Yankee candles.
My initial thoughts to the video was like, what the hell is wrong with these people? Then of course my curiosity got the better of me and I wanted to know more. So apparently this lady was caught stealing 2 candles from inside a store in the UK, somewhere in the UK. And apparently it was published through a third party and now it gone global.
That's when I approached her there. That's when I shook her hand. Oh my god. You see how she just sweeps it in her pocket? That's bad. Oh look, she picked up handcuffs. You see it?
Oh my... That's proper. That bit is proper, you can tell.
Yeah.
Now, instead of arguing the claim that this was a typical case of mistaken identity,
so it wasn't you.
This lady, or should I say Queen Ladi Gangsta, with over 35,000 followers on Instagram, instead did this.
And the police to me, girl. So when I cangle them, this is when I cangle them, I put in my bag. You send her my video. You never know, so your queen were entertain your Queen Ladi Gangsta was a shoplifter. Yes, I am.
Not only did you confess to a crime, which can lead you up to 6 months behind bars, you showed evidence of your loot.
So when I cangle them, this is when I cangle them, I put in my bag.
And of course, this can lead up to a shitload of other penalties. But as you said, you really not care and you're not ashamed. But really, for 2 candles? Why would somebody, I thought to myself, with perfectly done nails commit such a petty crime? And of course, it could be a slew of things. But this was her reason.
Because your government now give me no job and I have my 5 pit to them for live and I hear them now say so I got teeth 2 candles. So send the police come here. It's 29 time I got prison, girl. I don't have no shame.
No, of course, I am not here to judge or to condemn anybody, and you have to do what you have to do to survive. Unfortunately, this video became public and is now in the public domain. And, you know, people like myself can, of course, speak on the issue. And that's what I'm doing now.
In all manner, me that I kill up myself and I argue with this girl. But in truth and the matter is, 1,000 million trillion people shoplift for daytime. The security, the police, now the store owner not allowed to take a video clip or a picture of someone and send it out to the public. That's breach of my privacy.
And remember, you know, people, she's not a thief. She's a shoplifter. So there's a huge distinction.
So what I'm not a thief, I'm a shoplifter. Because coming in a shop, come thief, me not got nobody had got thief, them things that's different.
And although she was caught on camera doing the deed, the action of recording security footage is also a criminal offense. Because no matter what you do or say, you are still entitled to your rights. So tubers, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think that she's ashamed and just putting up a front? And do you think also that the young lady who recorded the incident should also be penalized? And have any of you ever shoplifted before? Please, I'd love to know in the comment section below. Until next time, live free, prosper, and most importantly, walk good.